Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 1-1. How are you today? How are you today? I am doing great. I am doing great. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome. No problem. No problem. Excuse me. Excuse me. And I am sorry. And I am sorry. That's okay. That's okay. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? Of course. Of course.